My name's Julia McMorrow and I work at the University of Manchester. I'm a physical geographer who also works with satellite images and something called GIS, which is Geographic Information Systems. Fires don't have a random pattern, they occur in clusters, and what we find is that they occur more frequently close to things like footpaths, access points. So clearly human access is a major factor in where fires occur. And we find that there's more fires on one type of vegetation than another. So in order to model this in our GIS and make our fire map, we need to have map layers that represent access, map layers that represent the fuel. And we're very fortunate in the Peak District in that the Ranger Service since 1976 has been collecting information on fires. They have a fire database therefore of over 30 years. So what we're able to do is plot the location of the fires on a map. We see these here as little red dots. We can then use those with other map layers to try to work out which areas have the highest risk of a fire occurring. So we can use it to locate resources that we use to fight fires, and we can use it to locate preventative activity. Things like fire ponds, particularly if we find we have an area of high risk and we don't have any water sources for the firemen to put out the fire, we can put in an extra water source at that high risk area. Secondly, we can put in fire watches where the rangers will go out and look for people that might be perhaps having a barbecue, that perhaps haven't considered the fire risk, and they can patrol those areas of high risk. The moors to me mean a wonderful sense of isolation or beauty. As a lecturer, they also mean somewhere where I can take the students to introduce them to some of the concepts that we've been talking about. It's a wonderful remote place in many ways, away from city life. It's a natural laboratory as well.